Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back my channel. I am Pawan Vani and today we see a new topic, principal stress and strain. Here is some formulas and after that formula we are going to a numerical. In that new topic, principal stress and strain, there is the first one is a normal and tangential stress acting on a plane. It's make an angle theta with the major principal plane, means angle of theta. In that time, to find out the normal stresses, then its abbreviation for the normal stresses is a sigma n. And sigma n, what is the formula of sigma n? This one, sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2 plus in bracket sigma 1 minus sigma 2 upon 2 bracket complete into cos 2 theta. This is our formula for normal stresses. Tangential stress. In that tangential stress, abbreviation is sigma t. We see here as abbreviation of sigma t. This formula is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 into sin 2 theta. After that, resultant stress. Resultant stress is finding out sigma r, and sigma r equal to under root of sigma n square plus sigma t square. Direction of resultant stress means to find out the direction, it's alpha, and the alpha formula is alpha equal to tan inverse sigma t upon sigma n. In that, after that, the direction of resultant stress, maximum shear stress. The maximum shear stress tau max equals to sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. This sigma 1 and sigma 2 value are given in a numerical. After that, when sin 2 theta is equal to 1, that is the 2 theta equals to 90 degree, okay, and theta equals to 45 degree. Direction of maximum shear stress equals to the 45 degree with the principal plane. Now we are going to a numerical. First numerical, at a point in a strain material, the principal stresses are acting on 100 Newton per mm square and 65 Newton per mm square. These both are tensile. Determine normal tangential resultant stresses and its direction on a plane which make an angle 28 degree with the major principal plane. Also find the maximum stress and its direction. So friends, here are in numerical given a 3 value. First one is a 100 Newton per mm square and it's a tensile. So the major value we are consider in a sigma 1. After that, the smaller value means you are 65 Newton per mm square. This again is tensile. We are considering in a sigma 2. And theta is a 28 degree. So we find out 2 theta is equal to 56 degree. Now next page, to find sigma n, sigma t, sigma r and alpha, also tau max and its direction. So in that, the first normal stress, we see the formula of normal stress, sigma n is equal to sigma 1 plus sigma 2 divided by 2 plus sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 into cos 2 theta. Okay. In this formula, putting the value, this sigma 1 value is your 100 and sigma 2 value is your 65. So this value putting in this formula, 100 plus 65 divided by 2 plus 100 minus 65 divided by 2 into cos 56 degree, because our 2 theta is a 56 degree. So the value is 92.28 Newton per mm square after calculating this formula. Now our second value, tangential stress. tangential stress means your sigma t. Stress is denoted as a sigma and tangential is abbreviation is a t. So sigma t's formula sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2 into sine 2 theta. In that formula, putting value of sigma 1 and sigma 2, 100 minus 65 divided by 2 into sine 56 degree. So our calculation is, after that answer, 14.50 Newton per mm square. Here we find the stress, so that's why our unit is Newton per mm square. Resultant stress, in that the resultant stress sigma r equals to under root sigma n square plus sigma t square. Putting this above value 92.28 square plus 14.50 square. So our value is 93.41 Newton per mm square. Next one, fourth, is the direction of resultant stress. So direction, again we are finding out this, there one is alpha. Alpha is tan inverse sigma t upon sigma n, and tan inverse sigma t, the value of sigma t is 14.50 and sigma n 92.28. Putting this value in this formula, tan inverse 14.50 upon 92.28 equals to our alpha is 8.92 degree. After that, maximum shear stress. Our last finding, the maximum shear stress means our tau max. So the formula of tau max is sigma 1 minus sigma 2 divided by 2. This all formulae we see in a previous page. So putting the value of sigma 1 100 and sigma 2 65. So 100 minus 65 divided by 2. This one, the answer is 17.5 Newton per mm square. Direction of maximum stress. This direction of maximum stress is 45 degree with the principal plane. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.